Hi guys, what's up? I have a very old APC CS 500 UPS. This model has 4 outlets, but as you can see, it needed an old connector cable. Don't worry, you can buy it online. Look for this IEC 300 C14 male plug. I almost discarded this UPS because I had hard time finding a store selling replacement battery for this model. Until recently I found this store at Lazada. At first I had doubts if it matches my UPS. After conversation with the seller I finally bought one. It cost me 850 pesos, which is about $17. I tested it and made a short video. Hope you enjoy it. Let's take a look. An old battery is running inside the UPS. Obviously, this battery needs replacement as it is not usable anymore. How to remove the battery? Turn the UPS over. Slide the cover and use a little force to remove the battery. Okay, here we go. You can see the size of the old one and the new one is identical. I think we're good to go. Let's put in the new one. I've finally tested the new one. All the cables from the computer are now connected to the UPS. Replaced battery is now gone. I'll now test how long will the battery last. Unplug the power cable from the source electricity. In my case, I just need to switch off the button. And in any minute, the LED battery should change into on battery. Let me start the timer on. I've got 16 minutes run time, but the battery is not dead yet. This one is really good as it would avoid damaging the computer in case of a brownout, and of course we have enough time to save all the computer errands before it turns dead. This is awesome. I literally save as much as 3,000 pesos or $60. This product has 12 months warranty. Please see the link below from where you can buy the product. That's it. Hope this video helps. If you like it, you may subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video in the future. See you around.